Here she comes, that little town flirt. You're falling for her, and you're gonna get hurt. Yeah, I know it's so hard to resist the temptation of her tender red lips, but you can get hurt, hurt. Yeah, you can get hurt, fooling around with that little town flirt. Here she comes, with that look in her eye. She plays around with every guy that goes by. Yeah, I know she's gonna treat you wrong, so your heart just better be strong, 'cause you can get hurt, hurt. Yeah, you can get hurt, fooling around with that little town flirt. I know how you feel. You think her love is real. You think this time she'll be sincere. But you'll think you got a paper heart when she starts to tear it apart. That's when she'll let you go. Here she comes. Just look at that style. She's looking at you, giving you that smile. But I know she's gonna treat you wrong, so your heart just better be strong, 'cause you can get hurt, hurt. Yeah, you can get hurt, fooling around with that little town flirt. You better run now, boy. You better pass her by now, yeah, boy. You better run now, boy.